Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Days. So we're making Danny's pecan cookies, and this is the pot to my food processor thing. Guess what happened? This part broke. This is the part that chops it. Not good. So I'm going to have to do this by hand. This is the chopper that I showed you in the previous video on Deep South. That is the old-fashioned, got the handle on it, wooden handle chopper. Somebody said the spring was on wrong. No, it's not on wrong because it's all made into one piece. It was put in here by the factory. We're going to chop pecans the old-fashioned way. Okay, the first thing we do is take this part off and add pecans. Now, I tried cutting some this way, like this. But cutting one pecan at a time, I'm going to be here a while. So Danny suggested I go ahead and use this. And I'm not real big on using it, but we're going to see how well, okay, it's on, how well it chops pecans. Okay. Try and hold it. And you got to twist it. Kind of clear the bottom a little. Okay. We're going to see how well it chopped. So it chopped it into some pretty good pieces. And if you remember, the wooden part is in the bottom. So we've got that out. See if we can finish off these pecans. Okay. Those little blades are pretty sharp. There's 4 of them. And we want that. Now I do still have, I see a few, so I'm going to have to go again with some. And you may have to do that. You may have to go back and forth through some occasionally, so you don't have big pieces. If this was a pie or something, I wouldn't worry about it, but these are supposed to be cookies, and I don't really want these huge pieces. Chopped pecans, done the old-fashioned way, with one of these. So that's how I chop pecans the old-fashioned way. This is going to be retired. Guess what I'm getting for Christmas, guys? See you later from Crazy Days.